Welcome back to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, where we break down tax topics with clarity, culture, and confidence. If you're new here, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, because financial literacy is power, and we're dedicated to delivering it to you. Today, let's dive into Schedule 3, Form 1040. This form is all about additional credits and payments that can help lower your tax bill or even boost your refund. Think of it as a valuable companion to your main 1040 form, and it's divided into two important parts. First up is Part 1, non-refundable credits. These credits can reduce your tax liability, but they won't provide a refund beyond what you owe. Some key examples include the foreign tax credit, which helps you avoid double taxation if you've paid taxes to another country. There's also the child and dependent care credit, designed for working families who pay for childcare. Education credits, like the American Opportunity and Lifetime Learning credits, can also be beneficial, along with the retirement savings contributions, credit for those contributing to retirement accounts. And let's not forget the residential clean energy credit for solar panels and other energy-efficient upgrades. Plus, there are credits for adoption and clean vehicles, among others. Now, let's talk about Part 2. Other payments and refundable credits. These credits can actually lead to a refund, even if you don't owe any taxes. For instance, the premium tax credit is available for those who obtained health insurance through the marketplace. The additional child tax credit can come into play if your child tax credit exceeds your tax owed. There are also other refundable credits and payments, such as the health coverage, tax credit, or certain business-related payments. So, why does this matter? Schedule 3 is your key to maximizing your refund and ensuring you're claiming every credit you deserve. Whether you're a student, a parent, a business owner, or simply someone looking to save, this form could be your ticket to a better tax outcome. If you need help filing, remember that at Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services, we specialize in accurate, stress-free tax filing. Call us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com to schedule your consultation. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tax tips, financial empowerment, and community-driven content that puts you in control. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you navigate your financial journey.